Hello everyone, welcome to another podcast from William Tyndall here in Barfoot and Thompson, Pukekohe. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Kim-Shiree Grant from Blackhawk Law to talk on solicitors' detail stuff regarding agreements. Kim, very welcome. You're very welcome.
Thank you very much, William.
First question, when should I approach a solicitor when buying a home?
Well, you can approach them as early as you like, really. I think it's just a matter of deciding for yourself if you want to have a quick chat with your lawyer about what conditions you should be thinking about putting in an agreement for sale and purchase. What is the procedure that is followed when you put an offer in on a property, when the offer is accepted, and on how satisfying the conditions are done. And it just gives you a wee bit of peace of mind on the process, and also of course giving you good advice on things you should be considering when putting in an offer.
Okay. When drawing up an agreement on a property, when should I consult my solicitor?
Well, look, in my opinion, the best time is before you sign the contract. Most solicitors will look over a contract free of charge before you sign it, and the wonderful thing about doing that is the lawyer will check the conditions carefully, check such matters as the amount of deposit being paid and when, and also make any minor amendments that may be required prior to you signing, because we find it's far easier to fix a contract before you sign it rather than afterwards, although we find the agents do a marvellous job in preparing these agreements. So there's usually little if any titivation to be done, but it does give you that peace of mind.
Okay. When do I pay the deposit?
Well, in most agreements for sale and purchase, the contract will stipulate when the deposit is payable. Usually it says on the contract becoming unconditional, and that means when you've satisfied all the conditions on the contract. At that time, you will then arrange to pay the deposit. The agents are wonderful in giving you the account details for the real estate agents where you're to pay it, and you can feel fully confident in making that payment to them at that stage.
What happens on settlement day?
Oh, well, that's a very exciting time for anyone purchasing their first home. Basically, in the lead up to settlement date, your lawyer will have prepared all the documents necessary for you to draw down any loans, to redeem any KiwiSaver, and to get any Housing New Zealand First Home Buyers Grant. And by settlement date, we will have received all the money we need into the trust account to complete your purchase. We will then, on your behalf, after you've done your pre-inspection, which you will do approximately 1 or 2 days before, looking through the property to make sure it's in the same condition as when you originally saw it, we will on the day of settlement, between the hours of 9 and 5, arrange settlement. We try and do it as early as possible in the day, but we can't always control what time money is received in from the bank, or what time the vendor's solicitor, or that is the seller's solicitor, is ready. But it's usually earlier in the day rather than later that we have settled the transaction, and we will ring and advise you that we've purchased the property for you, and that you are then able to go and uplift the keys from the land agents.
Lovely. Well, look, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure.
It's been very exciting, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, you too, and good luck first time home buyers.
Thank you.